guys, so I just filmed something really funny. You'll probably see it in the next couple seconds, but I just wanted to say that I'm going to take my English exam. This is the one that I was stressing about yesterday, and I'm kind of excited, so we're gonna see how I do. Let's cut to the clip where I'm singing 96,000 by The Heights. 96,000. Look at the temperature. I'm 5. Okay, bye.
96,000. Damn. $96,000. Holla. 96,000. Somebody won. 96,000. Yo, if I won the lotto tomorrow, well, I know I wouldn't bother going on no spending spree. I'll pick a business school and pay the entrance fee. Then maybe if you're lucky, you'll stay friends with me. I'll be a businessman richer than Nina's daddy. Donald Trump and I on the links, and he's my caddy. My money's making money, I'm going from Poto to Moto. Keep the bling, I want the brass ring like Frodo. Oh no, there goes Mr. Braggadocio. Next thing you know, you're lying like Pinocchio. If you're scared of the bull, stay out the rodeo. I got more hoes than a phone book in Tokyo. You better stop rapping, you're not ready. It's gonna get hot and heavy, and you're already sweaty. Yo, I'm sorry, is that an answer? Shut up, go home and pull your damn pants up.
Hi guys, I'm 5 and I think I'm super cool. I just wanted to say Merry 4th day of Christmas. Yeah. Okay, love you, bye.